In this video, you'll learn how to set up an eBay store from start to finish. This guide will walk you through selecting the right store type, customizing your store, and launching it effectively to attract customers. Begin by navigating to the eBay website and logging into your seller account. Ensure that your personal and payment information is verified, as this adds credibility to your account. Next, decide on the store subscription level that best suits your needs. Consider your inventory size, expected sales volume, and your budget for monthly fees. Each store type offers different benefits, such as listing discounts, promotional tools, and analytics, which can help you make a practical choice. Once you've chosen your store type, think about a unique and memorable store name that reflects your niche. This name should be easy for buyers to remember. It is also important to review eBay's policies and seller rules to ensure that you remain compliant and avoid any potential issues with your account. After confirming your account settings and selecting a store type, you are ready to start the setup process. Next, you will want to customize your store to create a professional appearance. Begin by adding a store logo and banner, which will help establish your brand and make a strong first impression on visitors. Organize your inventory into clear categories and subcategories, making it easier for buyers to navigate through your products. Write a compelling store description that clearly explains what you sell and why customers should choose your store over others. In addition to these customizations, enable features such as promotions, markdowns, and featured items to enhance the attractiveness of your listings. Setting up store policies is also crucial. Include details about payment methods, shipping options, and disputes. After making these changes, take a moment to review how your store appears to visitors, ensuring it looks polished and trustworthy. Now that your store is customized, it's time to launch it. Start listing your products with optimized titles, high quality photos, and accurate descriptions to attract customers as soon as your store goes live. Regularly monitor your sales inquiries and inventory levels to maintain smooth operations and prevent overselling. Utilize eBay analytics to track your store's performance, identify best-selling items, and adjust your pricing or promotions as necessary. Keeping your store updated with seasonal or trending products will help maintain relevance and encourage repeat buyers. You've now successfully completed the tutorial on setting up an eBay store. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.